What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm out here with the guys from ENDOW Audio. I walked past this booth and I was like, what the heck are these things? So I had to come in and check it out.
All right.
You want to give me the lowdown?
All right. It's a point array. We're debuting here at the show. This implementation has 9 full-range drivers that play from 100 hertz up. Below 100 hertz, we have a 12-inch woofer. But the special thing about the point array is it's a combination of geometry and the way we control it electrically with our passive signal processor. And what that allows us to do is create a coherent wavefront that's more similar to the mathematical ideal point source. And that gives us a very rich, open, full, saturated sound. And all of the axes of the drivers meet at a point in the center. Behind the array, there's an 8-inch driver. And the 8-inch driver interacts with the array acoustically and electrically. And that's what allows us to play so low down to 100 hertz to the crossover.
Well, I love to see young guys being intuitive. You created this product, right?
I did.
That is really cool. Well, thanks for sharing with us, David. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to play a quick little demo for you. I hope that you like it. If you aren't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.